welcome back to another video. Today we are playing mania, and as you can see I'm quite good at it. Auto tapper on, and now I have it on. Look at these eggs, I'm just going to grind some puts. I'm back! I didn't grind that. We're just going to be opening these eggs. Just not auto open. Just try and get the best one. That's all. Try and get the best one. Yeah. How do I get the best one? I'll show you what my progress has been. Now I'm here. In every single world. So this is my progress. Start off here with a rooster pet. Then I went to desert. Opened some of those eggs, and let me see if I got the best one. Did get the best one. Next world, forest. And there's a chest here, and gems if you want some. It gives you 1.5 mil. All the pets in this one. We will go back here. To winter, I got it. Animals I didn't get, I will just buy them and show you. Definitely got the best one. Yeah, I remember getting the best one in Kiga. This gems. Didn't get any clicks. Candy. Did I get the best one? Yes, because it's the mythical blob. This is only 6 times, but I get 80,000 times. Now volcano, I did get actually. I think I got all the worlds. 100 bill, I didn't get the best one. Wow. Now here. Then I'll go to moon and see if I... Wait, I don't remember this. Yeah, I didn't get the best one. Wait, I remember it now. But I don't remember the island being like that. We just went to moon, now we're heaven. And I remember being in this world. Don't know if I get the best one. Don't know if I got the best one. So, showing me! Show me! I didn't get the best one. Yeah. Wait. Let me check. I think it's always in the index. Basic egg, none. Oh, a secret. Oh, wait, there's a secret? Think we're in this one? Yeah, I got it. Galactic. I didn't get that one. I opened 1. I opened 3. 2. I think I got... No. 4 for lava. Didn't get forest. No. Yeah, frozen. No. Ghost. No. Devil. Yes. Santa. Yeah, I remember that. Didn't get all of them. Got those, all the guards, all the upside downs, not all the way. Oh yeah, I didn't get all the gas. Didn't get that. I just saw. For the egg, I'm in. Now let's carry on. You basically just saw. I unlocked all the worlds. Now the event world. I've not opened the snow egg. Snowy egg, I don't know what it's called. I've not opened that. I won't. Let's open it. Oh no, I think they're bad. Yeah, they're bad. They're actually very good. Let's see how good they are. They're bad. They're just bad. They're just so bad. Just oh bad. These are just so bad. I don't know why I'm still opening them. I got a snow dragon. How good is the snow dragon? These are trash. How good is this one? How good are these? We don't even know. That's a mystery. There also is some gems. Like 151. Oh, surprising. That's not a lot there. These are pets, I would say. Now back in this the zone I'm always in. Oh my god, they look so good. These pets are so good. But that was so good. No. Soon I'm going to be playing some new games on my channel. Cookie Simulator. I don't know what it is. Snowy Snowman. I think. I don't know what else to do. Just to show you what I've been doing the whole time on this game. And missed it. But here I all claimed it. This one here I got in this island today. And then when this island came out, I turned off this. Combos were made in the game. You just had to click this a load of times to get 3.5. And look, you can see, if you look where my tats are, you can see they're going up. If I just tap faster, you can see. I'm tapping as fast as I can. Swear? No, I won't. But that's basically all of the updates I've covered. No, I haven't. This update came out. This was the next. This was the update before. Then this update. Then this update. Then this update. And an update way back when Rooster played this game for the first time. This wasn't here. This wasn't. 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 And this. They were all here, but the ones all the way up to Frost weren't here. So Ghost, Underworld, Mythical, Deep Frost, Roosterland. Thanks for the developers for making a Roosterland because and then Godland, and Upside Down World, and Gasland, and Shattered as its update, as we can check back here. That was just the minis update, but update 32. Click combos, rank board, new world, a new egg, 5 new pets, 1 secret, disable players collisions, and bug fixes. Thank you, Moonlight Productions, for adding rules online. Today's video, so bye guys, bye. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and comment down below what was your best part of this